Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Meow.
Hello, curious humans. I'm Big Brain, and this is episode 67. If you don't know the news, you are gonna lose. Today we've got a fuzzy animal teamwork story, a sky surprise that lit up the night, and a science clue about how our brains react when they're irritated. Whoa! Have you ever heard a tree ask for help? Well, not with words, but this one definitely needed a rescue team. In Maryland, a raccoon family ended up stuck deep inside a tree, like they accidentally moved into the world's trickiest treehouse. Here's the cool part. Different helpers worked together. First, animal control officers showed up because they're trained to help animals safely. Then they asked firefighters for backup.
Hey kids, it's Big Brain with your daily scoop. Today, brains can control your body. Watch this. Whoa, my arms are off. Come back here, you. I guess they have a mind of their own.
Did the sky just do a magic trick? People across parts of New England saw a super bright meteor, sometimes called a fireball, zip through the atmosphere. And some folks even reported a big boom sound. Let's picture what's happening. Space is full of tiny rocky bits. When one of those bits races toward Earth and hits our air, it doesn't just glide in calmly. It slams into the atmosphere at a wild speed, and the air in front of it gets super hot. That heat makes the meteor glow bright, like a glowing chalk streak you draw across the night. Sometimes the meteor breaks apart high up, and that can make a loud boom. That boom is basically the sky saying, "That was fast." NASA confirmed the event using satellite information, which is like having giant eyes in space watching Earth's weather, clouds, and yes, sometimes space rocks that flash by. If you ever see something like that, the best plan is simple. Enjoy the view, tell a grown-up, and remember you just saw space visit our sky for a quick hello. It's like the universe tossed a glittery pebble past our planet.
Okay, kids, time for the next story.
Can a teeny tiny change inside your body act like a switch? Scientists are exploring something kind of like that while studying Alzheimer's, a disease that affects memory and thinking, mostly in older adults. Researchers looked closely at a molecule with a superhero-sounding name, Sting. Molecules are super small, way smaller than a speck of dust, and they help cells communicate and react. One big reaction scientists study is inflammation. Inflammation is what your body does when it's irritated or trying to protect and repair itself. If you get a splinter, the area can get red and puffy. That's inflammation doing its job. But inside the brain, too much inflammation can be a problem, and scientists want to understand why it happens. In this research, scientists found a specific spot on Sting where a chemical change called S-nitrosylation can happen. That's a long word, but you can think of it like adding a tiny tag onto a protein, like snapping a little Lego piece onto a bigger Lego build. That small tag might change how the molecule behaves. This doesn't mean there's a new medicine tomorrow. Today we saw how helpers can save animals, how space can paint our sky with a bright streak, and how scientists hunt for tiny clues inside our bodies. Keep those neurons firing. See you next time.
See you tomorrow. Row. Woo!